I'm going to take you through some of the all new Ring video doorbell features, 2nd gen 1080p model. As you can see, I've just screwed it to the PVC door, self-tapping screws, and it clips nicely to the bracket. Port on the back for charging. I have to say the battery life has been excellent. I've only taken it off once in 3 months. You get some secure screws with it, and you also get the special screwdriver to put the screws in. I'm going to reattach that using the tool that you get supplied, and I'll just show you some footage. This is not a doorbell, this is my own camera, OSMO action camera, but I've placed it where the doorbell's placed, and this is the footage from the camera. And I'll switch over to the doorbell, and there we go. A little bit fish-eye, slightly richer colours. It looks like a real good summer's day there. I'm quite impressed with the quality. Like I say, the main thing is the battery life has been absolutely excellent. So I also got with it the Chime plug-in, so that connects direct to the doorbell. I'll give you a little demonstration of that now. We'll ring the bell for you. Also get the app and it notifies your phone. There we go. Fairly rapid. So I'll have a quick look at the phone app I've got on screen for you. It's always being updated, telling you about the new features on the Discover section. So as you can see, charged it once in 3 months, and I expect it to last 6 months from a full charge, to be honest. From the app you can view live. I'll show you that now. So it might be a bit blurred on this screen because this is my phone sideways and zoomed in, but that's a pretty decent quality image. You can also, as long as you subscribe, I'll show you that after, you can view the historical kind of events. I'll show you a couple of those now. You get them all listed as and when what is detected, whether it's a ring or just detected a person. And this was the delivery we had. Like I say, so phone sideways, could be blurred.
Someone is at the front door.
This is like an Echo Flex.
Someone is at the front door.
Ties back in with your existing Echo devices and notifies you. Show the front door.
Okay.
So we've also got some Echo Show devices. This is an 8-inch Echo Show, so you can view the front door from the device itself. So this is in the living room, so you won't have to get up. You'll be able to just see who's at the door and respond. Good quality again. Quite happy with the picture quality on there. Stop. They have a smaller Echo Show, I think it's 5-inch in the bedroom.
Okay.
So if I was in bed, someone rung the doorbell, I could see who it was. Quite useful. Decent quality again. Stop. And I also have a 4K Fire TV. Show the front door.
Okay.
So you could get it to automatically show you this on a ring on your TV if you was watching. Once again, the quality's good. It's a 4K TV, and it's 1080p quality of the camera. It's good lighting today, to be fair to it. I'll give you some other low light examples. But that's it all. So it's all communicates with all Amazon devices. So the Echoes and Alexas. This is a low light sample straight from the camera. Fairly clear, I'm quite happy with the clarity. We do have a lamppost opposite there. Now completely at night time. I can say we're probably a bit spoilt with that over the road street light, but that's fairly decent quality. It's an 1080p camera on battery. And this is the kind of thing that'll be stored in the app. So it answers a ring. So you can watch it from the other device. Make sure they stood back before you answer the door. And she wanted another.
Hi, thank you.
Another parcel delivery. So this is what it's all about. If you was away from home, you could chat with these guys and tell them to leave it on the porch, which we often do. The ring notification comes in good time.
Thank you.
There we go. Oh, the bee was very attracted to the little blue light, I think. Scared the life out of me when I checked that footage. And finally, just a quick look at the desktop application running in Windows. So you log into your account, you've got all your account details. Same again, you've got you can check out the history. Not as good as the actual phone app, if I'm honest, but you can check all your history there. Schedule another delivery off the nice chat. So I definitely recommend these doorbells. And think, to be honest, we just wanted to use it as a doorbell. We had a wireless doorbell that was sometimes occasionally letting us down, get a lot of parcels delivered. So this was ideal, absolutely ideal for us. Now, I didn't plan on subscribing, but I'm quite happy with the cost of it. Is not, for one device anyway, is £25 a year UK at the moment, currently at the moment. So it's not unreasonable. I planned on just using it as a doorbell. I just find it that useful that for the cost, I thought the subscription was reasonable. Like I say, the dashboard, the Chrome browser dashboard, not as intuitive as the phone apps. I mostly use the app. Anyway, if you're thinking about getting one of these doorbells, you're worried about battery life, it is excellent, and I thoroughly recommend.